stiff pedal.
For the clutch?
Oh, gas.
Oh, gas?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't notice it necessarily stiff.
Well, I mean, just floor hinge is always weird to get used to.
Okay.
I've been driving something else for so long.
Yeah, I think we'll park mine on the outside too. Can you come back in?
All right. I can't heel toe, so don't judge me.
Yeah, I know. I'm saying you can shift a lot later when the lights turn red in the center of that shift indicator.
Okay.
When you shift.
I'm just going easy at first. Getting used to it. Oh yeah. trying to heel toe and failing. I probably shouldn't try in your car. I apologize.
This car has had plenty of that. Because I taught myself to heel toe in this car.
You've got the perfect pedals for it, though.
Yeah.
Just needs my dumb ass to actually put it in gear.
Yeah, they're aftermarket pedals, so.
The whole box, or just the like faceо?
What's up?
The whole pedal box, or just the?
No, it's just the faces.
Okay.
Yeah, the faces, and then the whole pivot mechanism on the throttle pedal.
Gotcha. To go in, just say so.
Yeah, that's fine. We go for a bit more. When you do decide to come in into open sessions now, we'll do a cool down lap afterwards.
I got you. Do your hazards work?
Yeah, they work.
Cool. My fault.
It didn't go into third, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. That's happened to me a lot. That's why I switched to using just a palm of my hand over the forward.
Okay.
And then like grabbing it.
I'll do one more and I'll do a cool down.
Okay.
That was my fault though. I didn't do it right.
No worries. I've done that more times than I can count.
I did it earlier in my car, and it grinded pretty bad. so smooth to drive. I love it.